Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe and like please.
Attractiveness of the female body. Psychology. From a psychological perspective, the attractiveness of the female body is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that is influenced by a variety of factors. While physical features are important, they are not the only factor that contributes to attractiveness. Here are some of the psychological factors that are involved in the perception of the attractiveness of the female body. Evolutionary psychology. Evolutionary psychologists have suggested that certain physical features of the female body, such as a waist-to-hip ratio of 0.7, are attractive because they are associated with fertility and reproductive success. From this perspective, the attractiveness of the female body is linked to the ability to produce healthy offspring. Cultural psychology. Cultural factors also play a role in the perception of the attractiveness of the female body. For example, in some cultures, larger body sizes may be considered more attractive, while in others, a thinner body size may be more desirable. Cultural factors can also influence preferences for certain physical features, such as skin color or hair texture. Social psychology. Social factors can also contribute to the perception of the attractiveness of the female body. For example, research has shown that people tend to rate individuals as more attractive if they are viewed in a positive social context, such as being surrounded by friends or being in a position of power. Cognitive psychology. Cognitive processes also play a role in the perception of attractiveness. For example, research has shown that people tend to find faces and bodies more attractive if they are familiar, suggesting that exposure and repeated viewing can influence preferences. Overall, the attractiveness of the female body is a complex phenomenon that is influenced by a variety of psychological factors. While physical features are important, they are not the only factor that contributes to attractiveness, and cultural and social factors can also play a significant role. It is important to approach discussions of attractiveness with sensitivity and to recognize the limitations of scientific research in this area.
Subscribe and like. We have a lot of interesting things.